What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a JBL Flip 5 and a Flip 6 to compare. Some of you are probably looking at this and go, why do they look so identical? Well, today this video hopefully will help you pick which one you want, 5 or the 6. All right, so let's go ahead and do it. Now, just a little preface here. I do have a Flip 4 as well. That's somewhere. My kids is using it. They love it because it's so small and compact. So with that being said, Flip 5, Flip 6, let's go ahead and unbox both of them and then let's see what are all the differences going on here. Okay, so this right here is the Flip 5. The design hasn't really changed all that much from Flip 4, Flip 5, and Flip 6. Yeah, not much at all. They've moved around some ports. They've upgraded to the newer Bluetooth and things like that, but that's about it. So here is the Flip 5. Got a nice black box here. Very nice. By the way, the Flip 5 that I got like a month ago it was a green version of this, and the box that it came with, it was actually like a recyclable type of box. So the box is actually different on what color you get, okay? So FYI on that one. So this one is black. It comes with the black box, and lanyard's already on there. Appreciate that. This thing is about this size right here. Now, remember, this JBL logo looks like this here, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in here. Now let's go to the Flip 6. So the box of the Flip 6 is actually more of like a open box like this. And look at that beautiful imagery. And we got all the accessory kits in here. And here is the Flip 6. Lanyard is already in there. The difference between the lanyard is that this one right here actually has the little tightening, stretchy. The lanyard here does not. On the Flip 5, the lanyard doesn't have the tightening piece to it. It's just, that's it. That's all you get. It's just a loop. The Flip 6, as you already noticed, does not come with a nice little box like the Flip 5. Now, I was telling you about the JBL logo. You see that? The JBL logo is actually different. It's a lot more prominent. It's a lot bigger. They're very proud of it. So on and so forth. All right. Now, let's go to the important piece right here, which is the thumper right here. Look at that. So the 6, this is like metallic right here. It's a little shiny. They upgraded the design a little bit right there. This is more integrated into here. You can't even feel it at all. Next, the controls. You got yourself, it says Flip 5 and Flip 6 there. Both of these are still USB-C. The battery indicator right here is still the same. Bluetooth and power button are all placed in the same place. Notice that there's a little feet right here on the Flip 6. They've upgraded that so that it actually stays still, while the Flip 5 does not have that. How does that affect it? Well, right here, if I push it, it stays that way with the JBL logo being like that, because this is where the front speaker is firing from right here, guys. With the JBL Flip 5, it's sitting just like the Flip 6. Look, I can't really push it back at all. See that? So if I were to roll it forward like this, for instance, it just flipped back to its original form. So the Flip 5, there wasn't really an issue with Flip 5 at all without this little feet here. The reason why is they've made this to where it's thick enough and heavy enough back here to where it just roll back on its own. You don't have to do anything to it. So that's a non-issue in my opinion. Let me see this one right here. Can it roll back? Nope. You see that? When I roll it just a little bit, there we go. So it does go back to its position. So yeah, it's a non-issue in my opinion if that's what you're worried about. Usually whenever you use these speakers, you probably are sitting it like this anyway. You're standing it up this way, which is, you know, a pretty cool way to do it. So let's look at those feet that they're standing on, okay? To me, the Flip 6 seemed to be a little bit thicker. And as you can see, they have a little bit more transparent feet right here. So to me, that's a little bit of a difference there in the Flip 5 and Flip 6. But other than that, I don't see much of a difference there. I like the fact that in the 5 and the 6, they both have the same party boost, because I have the 4 and they call it Connect Plus, which is not party boost. It's an older Bluetooth, I guess, technology. So if you have the 4, it won't connect to the 5 at all. But these two right here, the 5 and the 6, because they both have party boost, they'll connect to each other, which is a thumbs up. I was kind of tired of them changing up the technology like that, because, you know, every year when you get a newer one, you want it to connect to, you know, the party boost, right? But yeah, with the 4, I can't do that. All right, so guys, before I start with the sound test, I want to give you guys a preface real quick. My mic that I'm using, it's supposed to suppress like loud noise. So if I make really loud noise, it's supposed to like, oh, you know. So when these things get way too loud, it actually, you're not hearing exactly how loud it is in your headphones or whatever that you're wearing, okay? So just an FYI on that one, it may be a lot louder in real life once you get these speakers. All right, so here we're gonna try out the Flip 5 first. Yeah, we're gonna try out the Flip 5 first, and I'm gonna go full blast on this. All right, so this is full volume on my phone with this song. All right, so let's see here. Flip 5. Now Flip 6. Flip 5. Flip 6. Six. Five. Okay, so that's it right there. That's the sound test for both of these speakers, JBL Flip 5 versus Flip 6. Now, what do I think about these? What is my opinion on this? For some reason, the JBL 6, the bass is more, I guess the word is controlled. I feel like it doesn't blast as much as JBL 5. Like, I feel like JBL Flip 5 is gonna break in like the next 2 minutes because it's blasting so hard with the bass. There's no control on it at all. Like, you can tell the bass is just like everywhere. With this right here, the bass is very controlled. With that being said, the JBL Flip 5 to me is louder than the Flip 6. Not sure why. I don't know the technicality of it. I'm just sitting here with both speakers in front of me. So in terms of the sound, I feel like the front speaker is a lot louder. The bass is a lot deeper, like blasting. The JBL Flip 6, I feel like there's potential there, but for some reason they're controlling it a lot more. Maybe the casing is different on the inside, but I feel like it's not gonna break anytime soon. I don't know if that makes sense or not. But so far, to me, that's my first impression with the songs. Maybe I'm wrong, guys. I don't know. But to me, JBL 5 seems to be a lot louder. Okay, guys, so in our next segment, what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if Flip 5 will hook up to Flip 6 with Party Boost, all right? That's one thing that's I've always been questioning. I know that Flip 4 cannot hook up to Flip 5 or 6 because the older technology is not called Party Boost, it's called Connect Plus. It won't connect to the newer Bluetooth versions. And so, but these two have the same Party Boost, so they should connect to each other. But let's go ahead and try that, okay? So first off, this Flip 5 is connected to my phone. Flip 6 is not, all right? I've unsynced it with my phone. So here we go. I'm gonna press the Party Boost button, and this ring right here glows. You see that? It tells you that Party Boost is on. And then I'm gonna also press the Party Boost button right here. Notice the Bluetooth is not connected to my phone. So that ring is on, that beeping sound right there. And so now on my phone, I'm playing my music to the Flip 5. And yes, they are both playing right now. So now I'm getting stereo sound. It actually sounds pretty good if you put it to your ears like this. Let's see how loud I can go. Oh, woo! Okay, you know what? I'm gonna say right now, if you are getting a JBL Flip, or actually, you know what, the Charge or any other JBL Bluetooth speaker, well, I guess not the Clip or the Go, because I don't think they have Party Boost. Guys, you've got to try Party Boost. I think you don't know you need it until you've tried it. It sounds so good with two speakers going at the same time. It sounds so good. It sounds so loud. It sounds like you have literally a high-end stereo system in your house. I love it. I think this is great. This is awesome. This is literally the future of stereo right here. I used to have huge stereo equipment in my house just so that I can get good sound. I think this is sufficient. Now, audiophile, don't dog on me, but I think for someone who doesn't have a huge audio setup, I think this is gonna be sufficient for you. The one thing that I do notice though, when I connect the Flip 5 and the Flip 6 Bluetooth to my phone at the same time, they seem to be conflicting for some reason, all right? So if you're having like a stuttering issue with your audio, you might wanna take one of the Bluetooth out of the way, which is what I have done. I've unsynced it, I've disconnected on the Flip 6, and it seemed to solve that problem for me. But once again, with Party Boost, you don't need both of it connected to your phone. You just need one of them to connect to your phone, and then the other one is just going to connect to, the Flip 5. So, yeah, just an FYI on that one. If you're having like audio issue while you're trying out Party Boost and you're pulling your hair out, you might want to disconnect one of the Bluetooth, because you don't need both of them on there. I think the software is conflicting somehow. Anyway, I totally love it. Party Boost is definitely the seller for me on this one, if I have to say. Either way you go, Flip 5 or Flip 6, I don't think you can go really wrong. They're both, they feel super high quality, and they both sound great. The Flip 5, once again, is a little bit louder in my opinion to my ears, but you be the judge of that. And I will see you in the next episode. That's it for me. I'm out here. Bye-bye.